Hello students, welcome back. We'll take up our exercise 10.3 now. Come to the theorem 10.3, which says that the perpendicular from the center of the circle to a chord bisect the chord. So now this is a circle and this is a chord. This is a chord AB. Now center of the circle. Now it is given that the perpendicular from the center of the circle. So this is now perpendicular and center of the circle. This side will be equal to this side, radius. Now in triangle, this point we can take up as point D. So in triangle AOD and triangle BOD, we can take up, these are perpendicular, so this is 1, this is as 2. OA is equals to OB, these are the radii, and angle 1 is equals to angle 2 equals to 90 degree. So this is already given to us, this angle 1 equals to angle 2 and OD is equals to OD. So this is common, OD equals to OD, this is now common. Therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOD by RHS congruency. This is now right hypotenuse side. So RHS congruency दोनों congruent हो गए triangle. Therefore we can say AD is equals to DB. This is by CPCT. Therefore we can say perpendicular from radius bisects the chord. So any perpendicular from the radius will bisect the chord. So this we have proved. Now similarly coming to theorem 10.4. Theorem 10.4. So in theorem 10.4 it is given that the line drawn through the center of the circle to bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. अभी यहाँ पे bisect दिया हुआ है और हमें perpendicular proof करना है. So we'll draw a circle now. This is center and this is one of the chord. This is D point, this is A, this is B, and this is now bisected, it is already given. So the line from the center to this chord is bisector. So we need to prove that these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, they are equal or it is perpendicular. So we can take up these two triangles. So in triangle AOD and triangle BOD, OA is equals to OA. This is radius or radii, similarly because this is plural, so radii, and OD is equals to OD, so this is common, and AD is equals to DB, this is given to us. Therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOD by SSS congruency. Therefore we can say angle 1 equals to angle 2, but angle 1 plus angle 2, this is equals to 180 degree. Why? This is the linear pair. Angle 1 plus angle 2, this will be 180 degree linear pair, and 1 and 2 both are equal, so I can write angle 1 plus in place of angle 2 we can write angle 1 because both are equal. So this is equals to 180 degree. Now twice of angle 1 equals to 180 degree, therefore angle 1 is equals to 90 degree. So this is proved that line from the center of the circle will be perpendicular bisector of this chord. So this is now proved. Now coming to theorem 10.5. So 10.5 theorem states that there is one and only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. So we are given three non-collinear points. Suppose this is point A and this is point B and here it is point C. So these are three non-collinear points. So first of all we will join these points. So we will join these points and we will draw perpendicular bisector of these points. So suppose this is one of the perpendicular bisector and this is one of another perpendicular bisector. So these are the perpendicular bisectors, both are meeting at this point. So now if we draw a circle from this point, so this is the now center of the circle. So drawing a circle from this point, so this circle will pass through all these non-collinear points. जो भी अभी हमने तीन non-collinear points लिए हुए हैं, ये circle क्या करेगा, इन्हीं तीनों non-collinear points से pass करेगा. So through non-collinear points we are getting only one center of the circle. So this circle will pass through this point. So therefore we can say that there is only one circle from three non-collinear points. So there is only one सर्किल पॉसिबल बिकॉज देयर इज ओनली वन सेंटर. एक सेंटर से आप सिर्फ एक रेडियस से एक ही सर्किल ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. एक सेंटर से और एक रेडियस से एक से ज्यादा सर्किल ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते हो. Now coming to question number 1 for exercise 10.3. Draw different pairs of the circles. How many points does each pair have in common? What is the maximum number of the common points? Suppose if we take up case 1, suppose this is now case 1. So case 1, this is one of the circle and this is another circle. This is O and this is suppose O dash. So in case 1 there is no point common. No point common. If we take case 2, suppose this is a circle and this is touching externally to this point, this circle. So this is O, this is O dash. So this is only one point in common. So there is only one point. Now take case 3. When there is a possibility that circle may touch from internally like this. So this is now O dash and this is now O. So again there is only one point in common. And there can be another case also. Suppose there is one circle and this is another circle. So both are intersecting each other at 2 points. So this is suppose A and this is point B. So they are intersecting at 2 common points. So these are the possible cases where these circles are intersecting and these will be the common points in that case. So maximum common points will be 2 only. Now coming to question number 2. Suppose you are given a circle, give the construction to find its center. So एक सर्कल दिया हुआ है अभी हमें और इसका अभी हमें सेंटर फाइंड आउट करना है। तो सेंटर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए देखिए क्या करते हैं, गिवन सर्किल में अभी हम क्या करेंगे, कोई भी दो कॉर्ड ड्रॉ कर लेंगे। एक ये कॉर्ड ड्रॉ किया हुआ है ए बी। सो व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स? सो व्हाट इज द स्टेप 1? Step 1 is draw any two chords. So this is the step 1. Now step 2. So this is one of the chord and we can draw, there is another chord, this is CD. Now we will draw perpendicular bisectors of these chords. So draw perpendicular bisectors of these chords. इन कॉर्ड्स के अभी हम क्या करेंगे, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स ड्रॉ करेंगे, मोर देन हाफ डिस्टेंस लेंगे, कंपास में कट करेंगे। सिमिलरली यहाँ पर तो अभी एक ये गया सपोज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर और दूसरा ये परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर गया। ये दोनों परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर जिस जगह पे जाकर के मीट करेंगे दैट विल बी द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल। So what is the step 3? Now the perpendicular bisector comes in step 2. Now the intersecting point of these perpendicular bisectors is the center of the circle. Is the center of the circle. So intersecting point or the meeting point of these perpendicular bisectors of these two chords will be the center of the circle. So this way we will find the center of any given circle. Now coming to the question number 3. If two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. सपोज एक सर्किल हमने ये ले लिया और दूसरा सर्किल ले लिया, ये दोनों अभी क्या इस दोनों पॉइंट्स पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं। सो इस पॉइंट को अभी हमने ज्वाइन कर लिया। सपोज दिस इज ए एंड बी, वी कैन टेक इट विद another color. So this is the common chord for these two circles. Suppose this is now center O for first one and this is the center second for O dash. Now if we join these two chords, this is point M. Now we need to prove that the perpendicular bisectors of these two chords, they pass through the center of the circles. Now see that for circle with center O, for this circle center O, this OMA, angle OMA will be equals to 90 degree because center is perpendicular bisector of chord. Means if a line is drawn from the center to this chord, it will be perpendicular bisector of this chord. And similarly for this circle, similarly for circle with center O dash, angle O dash MA will be equals to 90 degree. Again this is the angle made by the center to the chord because a line joining center to this point will be perpendicular. So angle OAM plus angle O dash MA will be equals to 90 plus 90. So angle OAM plus angle O dash MA will be equals to 180 degree. Now see this 180 degree means this is a straight line, so we can write therefore this OMO dash is a straight line. This is a straight line passing through the centers of the two circles. ये लाइन अभी क्या होगी 180 डिग्री मिल गया, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ दिस इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, सो वंस इट इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन नेचुरली इट विल पास थ्रू द सेंटर्स ऑफ बोथ द सर्कल्स. So we have completed our exercise 10.3. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.